conversation with the pioneer of technical analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Just a short while back in the previous show, we were talking about BHARTI and stocks like Idea, and as to after the kind of losses that we've seen today, perhaps it may not be such a good idea to initiate a fresh short. After the 8% cut that we've seen on Idea, what does one do with it?
Well, I think the view remains pretty much the same in the sense that at about 85 levels or 84, 85 levels, Idea actually runs into some sort of a support zone for today. But these are support zones once they are established, and then there is a willingness shown by the stock to halt at them. Now, if you look at, let's say, for example, BHARTI, which we were discussing, you may, various people will have supports at various levels. Let's say, for example, 360 was somebody's support level. Now, a support level is meaningful only if the stock were to give it some amount of respect, show a willingness to halt there, and then meet with fresh amount of demand. Now, you're seeing in the case of, let's say, Idea or BHARTI, there is a complete disinterest to bounce from any level. So this clearly is indicative of some large-scale selling which is going on, most likely of an institutional order. We had Goldman Sachs with a report saying that, they are actually looking for a cut. We have this, the telecom policy coming out on Monday. So it seems to be a little bit of a mix of everything where people are bailing out in the stock, both of them, BHARTI as well as Idea. So we don't really want to stand in the face of that. Let's, every technical analyst will have several layers of supports, but, that's just the way it is. It's not a weakness of the system. It is just the way the system is. So we keep looking at each support level, but then we also look to see whether there is a bounce coming in it, whether that support level generates demand. So far, Idea as well as BHARTI have been completely bereft of any demand for the day. So I think no real point in going short here because the risks are higher. No real point in going long either because the sellers seem to be quite determined today.
Oh yeah, that they do. In fact, Idea is now really getting hammered in trade. It's an 8% cut that you are seeing on Idea. Means